We are a small, very focused research institution who has been on the coast of Maine for 120 years. We are working with model organisms to understand the mechanisms of disease. These animals have found different solutions for different problems. And the axolotl are the world champions in healing almost every injury without scarring. Every child knows that when you have a salamander and the tail goes, you regrow the tail. Now they do this with all the organs. You can take away half of the brain and the brain regrows. Perhaps we can learn from that and we can transfer this back to our wound healing and to our regeneration. The zebrafish and the African turquoise killifish, their kidneys look like yours and mine under the microscope. We can use these model systems directly to look into that. So a lot of the principles we all internationally understand about the kidney actually came from the MDI Biolab over the last 100 years. One of the miracles here is that from the outside, we look like Maine, and we want to keep it like that. Like the NIH said, we consider you to be a national treasure the way you look like, but inside, it has to be very modern. The research we're doing here has to be very advanced. We are able, and have been able for a long time, to attract this international crowd, and this makes it then possible for us to train Mainers, young people. They are not only becoming experts in their field, but they're also exposed to an international community.
MDI Biolab really values training and mentorship because it's how we can grow a scientific enterprise in the state. It's really instrumental to our mission that we have a whole scope of training, going from K through 12 and getting those kids interested in science and hopefully getting some of them thinking about becoming a scientist, but then also providing opportunities for our undergraduates, for graduate students, and for postdocs to come here and to train. And then hopefully they'll fall in love with the state too and decide to stay.
It's wonderful to have a community of young people here. They provide us with new ideas. We provide them with more experience. The mix of beautiful campus, young, enthusiastic people, and the possibility to advance our understanding of the world. It's this special place.